Authenticity. What is it? It's telling you right now I'm sick. It's coming to terms with the fact that I messed up when I began this channel. I started with a fake name, swirling, which altered the kind of content that I made. And my actual name is Benjamin Angwin. Authenticity is Authenticity is that this is the 4th time I've tried to record this because I'm sick. And still, in this format, it's going to be 10 times easier to create a video than my long-form documentary formats. And I've been wrestling with that over this period of my sickness. The last 2 weeks or so I've been ill. What am I doing? Creating those documentaries takes a long time. But it's more than that. This channel is over 5.5 years old now. Sure, for the first 1.5 years, I was just kind of playing around. The next year, I was just kind of, how does this work? I mean, about 3 years I've been actually doing this. About 5.5, all taken in. When I began this channel, as some of you know who have been with me from the beginning, I went heavily into documentary type stuff. That's because in my 1990s boyhood, I wanted to be like these British documentary types I saw on my television when no one else was watching. But that world's gone. Yes, there are a few documentary types out there, but I think that was its heyday. As far as accessibility into it. That's not how the world works now, and to create a documentary, ideally you need a whole team, and I just don't have the team, nor the time, nor the equipment. I had a nice little camera for a while, many of you will know, that I broke when I was doing my Welsh history series, which I didn't need to autofocus or mess around with the settings too much. That's changed, and I've changed. Over the course of this illness, I've been looking back at the conflict that I've had within me. Swirling, Benjamin Angwin. And I want to be authentic with you. I don't want this to be AI slop. Speaking of AI, the world is changing fast with that. And if I'm going to remain authentic, whilst having accessibility into this new technology, which every creator now must to some extent have a foot in it, I need to change the format. Yes, I use AI a bit for thumbnails now and then, for ideas, scripting, gauging strategy here and there. But the core of everything is still me, and it always will be. Hopefully that will differentiate me between the tidal wave of slop coming your way on YouTube. I will never replace me with some automated version of me. If I have to, then at that point, YouTube is not for me. Which brings me to what I'm actually building. Because the direction has to change in this changing world. For a long time, I've vacillated about what I'm going to do with this channel. Yes, I studied Cymraeg, the Welsh language, at university, and then went on to Cambridge to study more medieval British cultures and their languages, and that has enriched me beyond what I can even understand, and I'm grateful for both of those degrees and the opportunities they gave me. But what makes us humans different from AI, and always will, is that we can grow for years in one direction. And then underneath that, whilst we're still in that direction, we'll begin growing in another direction. And that's exactly what has happened to me over the last 4 years or so. I've been growing in a new direction. Yes, the Welsh language and Celtic stuff will occasionally be a part of this channel in languages. But out there, the world is changing at an astonishing pace. And as the last generation, my age group are the last to even remember the world before the internet. I have a moral duty, not just to preserve that world, no, but to defend what's worth keeping about, well, our civilization, our identities, our cultures, defending it. So I am pivoting. Yes, some of you don't like it, but it's the way it's going to be. I hope I don't lose too many of you. To Zionist history, one. Ancient history will definitely be a part of this, but in a way which feeds into the geopolitical context to defend our cultures from Poland to Portugal, the United States, Switzerland, certainly Wales, Romania, and yes, Israel, Sweden, all of these, England. They're part of the West, and I am passionate about the West. So that Zionist history, how history across the ages feeds into modern geopolitics and the challenges that we face, as well as the foundations of our Western civilization, what makes it good, why we should keep it, why we should defend it, what it even is. I see so many people out there who have gone through an educational system which teaches them to hate their own culture. And I have to be part of what's pushing back against, well, the current establishment in power out there, who push a narrative in which they believe that the nation state is evil. And I'm not going to go down without a fight. I don't want to enter my old age without ever having said, I pushed back against this. I have a moral duty to. I want to build something called the Angwin Institute. I may go into this further once this channel allows me to pay all my bills. If you want to contribute via Buy Me a Coffee, please do. But at a basic glance, what the Angwin Institute will be is an institute for teaching people about our roots, our cultural inheritance as Europeans and European-descended North Americans, and any who want to join that inheritance. Any who value that inheritance as a part of this world that is indispensable and which we should keep and defend from being lost. And I hope to have offices in 3 different cities. I don't wish to say which at the moment. That's so long in the future. But I want to have different branches. That one would be for documentaries. One would be more news-based to defend our interests. Another would be more helping combat anti-Semitism. Which brings me to another shift, away from Welsh nationalism. I have no choice, and I will make a video more about this before too long, about my journey through, into, and out of Welsh nationalism. I'm not saying Wales should not be independent. I'm not saying it should be. What I'm saying is, that's your struggle if you want to partake in that. I'm not going to attack you for that. But from what I've seen, I'm not going to partake in it anymore. And there were a series of things that happened in which I ignored that at the time. In 2013, I ignored another thing in 2015, 2017, 2019. I kept ignoring things that I saw, which I cannot ignore any longer in my conscience. And so my channel, in being shifted into this new pivot, is going to reflect that. I'm taking a more pro-American stance. Now, I am pro-Welsh, so I have reservations about the pro-British attitude, but I will take it from the point of view of it's part of our Western inheritance that we need to defend, rather than the political structures of the UK. I hope that I'm not going to lose too many of you. I hope that those of you who have been with me for so long will understand that I'm being genuine, and that keyword authentic, that can only come from a human being having a journey that weaves across his or her life, which has growth and shows change and development over the course of decades. If I'm the same man who began this channel in 2020 as I am in 2050, that feels like a long time, but it's actually not, then I would have wasted 25 years or 30 years of my life. I thought long and hard about this pivot. I don't want to alienate too many of you, but it's got to be done. There's too much at risk in our society and culture, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you stay with me. But I want this to be a milestone for people who join the channel later. And they can look back and say, well, when did he change? This was when I changed. And this is not a mere New Year's resolution. Blue of the new vlog, Happy New Year. I was too sick to make a New Year's video. I've been sick for most of 2 weeks. But this is a marker. Like a stone in a field, marking the direction you need to travel. The content will change. The documentaries take too long. I cannot keep it up. I don't have the time, the equipment, nor the team. In the future, if I have a team, absolutely. And occasionally I will make a documentary. Yes. But what I think we all need, in the future of AI, and not just AI, but mass present, omnipresent social media and distractions all around us, is content like this. I'll get better at this with time, as I did with my documentaries. I have to relearn a lot of things. How to present myself. Part of why I'm recording this again is because I messed up in a different room with lighting, and then I messed up with sound. But that's what makes us human. We do mess up. And that's part of the West that I'm most eager to defend. The right to forgive people for their mistakes. And I have made a lot of mistakes in my life. And I know some of you who have contacted me have made mistakes too. And that's okay. That's how we learn. I'm growing, and I hope you will grow with me as the channel pivots into a new era. Diolch yn fawr iawn am ymuno ar y daith. Thank you very much for joining with the journey.